Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I bring you a new pair of true wireless earbuds from Acefast. The Acefast T6 has one of the best designs I've ever seen. The audio for this video has been created by the script. More info in the description below. First of all, I want to thank Acefast for sending me a unit to test them, so I can do the review for you. Starting with the presentation, the box is quite big, but the earbuds are very small. Inside the box, we have the earbuds, with its case for charging, a USB-C cable, 4 ear tips, and a silicone cover for the case. This model has a design with a stem and ear tips. The stem is short and they are quite attractive. Each earbud measures 3.4 cm long, by 1.9 wide and 2.3 deep, and each of them weighs 4 grams. They are available in 5 colors: black, green, blue, pink, and white. It comes with 3 different sizes of ear tips. The medium size has worked well for me. The sealing is good, and they isolate very well from outside noise. They have certification IPX4 against liquids, so we can use them to play sports, although you have to be careful since they can fall. Each earbud has a capacitive button on the side. If we press the right earbud once, turns up the volume. If we press it 2 times, it does play pause. If we press it 3 times, goes to the next song. And if we hold it down, activates the voice assistant. If we press the left earbud once, the volume goes down. If we press it 2 times, it also makes play pause. If we press it 3 times, goes to the previous song. And if we hold it down, it also activates the assistant. We can also answer and reject calls directly from the earbuds. The controls work fine, and we have the most used functions. I like that the simple touch manages the volume, so if we accidentally touch them, the music doesn't pause. They use Bluetooth 5, and the reach is the usual. The signal can go through 4 walls without having any cut, but if we go further, the music skips a lot. Both earbuds can be used independently. We just have to put one in the case and the other keeps playing, and if we take it out, they pair up again in stereo. Each earbud has 2 microphones with noise cancelling to do hands-free calls. Each earbud has a 40 mAh battery. This can provide us with up to 4 hours of music, which leaves a lot to be desired. It can be enough for short trips, like go to work or class, but they won't last a full day of work by any means. The case has 500 mAh, so we can charge the earbuds 4 more times, for a total of 20 hours of music. It has fast charging, and with 10 minutes of charge we have 1 hour of use, and they are fully charged in 1 hour. This is possibly the best case and earbud combo I have ever seen. The design is super attractive and compact. I like brands to take these initiatives, since most cases are very similar. On the front of the case there is a display that indicates the battery capacity of the case, and the earbuds. Each earbud has a 6mm driver, and they reach a very high volume. About 60% is enough for me. The sound quality is very good. The mids and highs sound clear and the bass is very strong. It's been a long time since I've tried a pair of earbuds with such powerful bass. It has a very low latency, so we can play or watch videos without having any audio delay. Summarizing, for €39 we have a pair of earbuds with very good design and a fantastic sound quality. As pros, they have the sound quality, especially the bass, which is very strong. Also the design, since they stand out from the rest. As cons, the battery life, which is very scarce. I will leave the link to Amazon in case you want to buy them, and if you liked the video, you can subscribe to the channel for free. See you in the next video. Thanks.